Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for iTalki for advanced learners, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register for iTalki as an advanced learner, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.italki.com and press enter. Once the iTalki homepage loads, look for the sign up button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button to proceed. You will see several options for signing up. You can use your email address, or choose to register with Google, Facebook, or Apple. If you decide to use your email, enter your email address in the provided field. Create a password that meets the site's requirements. After entering your email and password, click the Sign Up button. Next, check your email for a verification message from iTalki. Click on the verification link in the email to activate your account. Once your account is verified, return to the iTalki website. Log in using your email and newly created password. After logging in, complete your profile by adding your name and any relevant information. Specify your native language and the languages you wish to learn. If you are an advanced learner, consider detailing your proficiency level in the language. You may also want to select your learning preferences or interests. After filling in the necessary details, click the Save button to finalize your profile setup. Explore the platform to find suitable teachers for your language needs. You can search for teachers based on their qualifications, teaching style, or availability. When you find a teacher that meets your criteria, click on their profile to learn more. Read the reviews and ratings to ensure they align with your learning goals. Once you're ready, schedule a lesson by selecting a time that works for you. Confirm your lesson and make any necessary payments through the secure system. After payment, you're all set to begin learning with your chosen teacher on iTalki. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.